do plan accordingly for your lunches. So what is your train of thought when you, on a Sunday, for example, are you planning the week?
So I'm always thinking ahead. What is my week looking like? Am I going to be in the office? Am I going to be away? What is that kind of take a look at? So then that way I can plan what meals, how often I have to bring my food, and what I'm going to bring along with me. But every time I sit down to eat, you want to have those components where you have your vegetable, you have your whole grains, and you have your lean protein. So whatever it is that I'm grabbing for, even if all of a sudden I have to go run somewhere and pick something up, that's how I'm going to make that healthy choice, is I'm making sure what is my vegetable, what is my whole grain, and what is my protein.
Something helpful also, I don't know what you do, Brian, but if you're going to make like chicken for the family and you just grab an extra chicken breast and you make an extra one, and then in the morning that one you chop up with maybe a hard-boiled egg, tomato, lettuce, and voila, you have a fabulous chicken salad, because you're making the chicken anyway. So, you just pretend you have an extra ghost there that night, and then the ghost is you tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
that's what I do.
What we do in the Betancourt household, my wife does the majority of the cooking, so I can't lie on camera and tell her that, yeah, I get in the kitchen too. But every now and then I get the job of preparing some vegetables. So I'm in charge of chopping the vegetables up ahead of time. So when she comes home, all she has to do is cook. And what we do is we cook enough so that we have lunch the next day.
That's
so when you
fantastic.
do buy like those proteins, whether it's beans or whether it's some form of like fish, like a fatty fish, it's the same amount of time to bake one as it is to bake four.
That's right.
So you might as well just knock out, the two that you're gonna make, have one for dinner, and then have the other one left over for lunch, and have it with the rest of your healthy proportioned out meal.